Hey guys, it's Landon with RH. This is the video, another video in the set I'm doing that show you how to create relational databases with SQLite. We've been using this tool, DB Browser for SQLite, which is an open source graphical front end for SQLite. I'm just going to pull up the website so you guys can see it real quick. So here's the website. You can get on there, download what you need. So what I'm going to show you in this video real quick is we're just going to go through some of the preferences, some of the settings in DB Browser so you can get those set up. So if you go to Edit Preferences, I've got it in dark mode. You can see that. I don't love dark mode. So let's just briefly run through this. This is telling you where it's going to your default location for your databases, your language. Here's your application style. I'm going to go ahead and set it back to light. I'm okay with the font size. This is the max recent files. This lets you control a little bit of the layout. You can set up what database extensions you want it to use. Okay, database, we looked at this. We're using UTF-8. We have foreign keys enabled. The default field type you can set here. This is telling you what font size it's going to use for the database structure view. This is for the data browser. I set my font here to a what they call a monospaced font called Inconsolata because I didn't like the font they were using. There's some other stuff that you can do down here. I'm not going to mess with that. You can set background colors and text colors here. I'm not going to mess with that, but you could if you wanted. This controls how your SQL code appears. I didn't mess with any of these defaults here, but I did choose a slightly different monospaced font. You can set the font size here. I've got keywords in uppercase. I like that. It's going to help me with some code completion, which is cool. I don't have anything to worry about in these two tabs. So we'll go ahead and hit save. So now you can see I'm back to the light view. And if you look, my font's changed, so I like that font a little better, and you can see it's got a much nicer font, I think, in the SQL, which I like. So anyways, that's just real quick how you can set up some of your preferences. Alright guys, that's a short video, but I just wanted to show you how you could set up your DB browser, customize it a little bit with the fonts and the darker light theme to your graphical user interface.